Hey, all right, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I am getting ready to go to an 80s themed New Year's Eve party. So I thought I would get this super cool looking t-shirt. Now, the main question is, I know it looks cool now. Let me put it on, show you what it looks like in regular light, and then let's take a look at it, see what it looks like under black light, and I'll come back, give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know what I thought of its comfort, size, all that kind of stuff. All right, let's go do that. Okay, so here it is on. I will say I've learned to outsmart the Chinese manufacturers here on Amazon a little bit. This is a double XL. Normally, if you were going to go buy like a local t-shirt or something like that, I am an XL, not a double XL, but this double XL I think fits perfectly. This is what it kind of looks like. Let's turn out the lights, see what it looks like. How's that? How does this look? I kind of can't tell with the camera on.
It's cool, even your teeth glow.
Oh, my teeth glow?
Yeah.
This is going to be so fun. All right, I love this. Let's flip those lights back on and talk about them. Okay, so let's talk first about this shirt. How cool. I have to say, there are very few times when I buy something on a whim on Amazon and I'm like, oh, this is perfect. This is definitely perfect. Super comfy, nice and cool. It's like this great, like kind of like UA kind of, that manufacturer material kind of has that kind of feel to it. Yeah, and as long as you upsize, at least for me, as long as I upsize, fits perfectly, it's comfortable, look cool under the black lights, but I'll be up to you to decide if you really thought it was like that. So I'm going to give this a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score and see if the beautiful Miss Nikki lets me keep it for the party. All right, hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.